and Richmond American.
The National Weather Service in Denver has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Washington County in northeast Colorado until 4:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 4:05 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado 8 miles west of Anton, or 31 miles south of Akron. This storm was moving east at 25 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Thurman, Elba, Cope, ARICKAREA School and Anton. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body and always stay away from windows. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no safe shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or other low spot and cover your head with your hands.